What if your brain isn't broken, it's just wired that way? What if anxiety, overthinking, laziness, even low confidence aren't your personality traits but patterns your brain learned? Because here's the truth, your brain is not fixed. It rewires itself every single day. This is neuroplasticity, the power of your brain to physically change based on your experiences, your focus, and even your thoughts. You're watching BioCode, where biology meets code. And today, we're revealing how to reprogram the most powerful computer in the universe, your mind. Inside your head are 86 billion neurons. They talk to each other through tiny electrical signals. And every time you repeat a thought or action, those neurons build stronger and faster connections. That's how habits form. That's how fears grow. That's how trauma scars. But that's also how healing happens. That's how change begins. Science once believed the brain was hardwired by adulthood. But now, we know it's always adapting, learning, rebuilding. Even a damaged brain can reroute itself. Stroke survivors regain speech. Amputees learn to control robotic limbs. Blind people navigate through sound. This isn't science fiction. It's your biology. But here's the catch. Neuroplasticity doesn't care if you're growing or getting worse. Your brain rewires whether you're training it or just letting life program it. Every doom scroll, every angry reaction, every "I can't" you whisper to yourself, your brain listens. And it builds that belief. But here's the powerful part. You can break the loop. When you interrupt old patterns with intention, the brain starts pruning bad connections and strengthening new ones. Meditation, journaling, challenging thoughts, learning something new, moving your body. These aren't just habits, they're neural engineering. Even imagining a skill fires up your brain, almost like doing it for real. That's how powerful focused thought is. Want to rewire anxiety? Start by breathing deeply when panic strikes. Want to boost confidence? Visualize success before performance. Repeat, rewire, reinforce. It works because your brain doesn't know the difference between reality and repetition. And yes, it takes time, but every day, you are sculpting your future brain. So no, you're not stuck. You're just untrained. But now, you know better. Can you rewire your brain? Absolutely. But only if you start now. This is BioCode. Subscribe if you believe your biology should evolve with you.